Alright guys, we are here in Central PA at the Car Corral in Carlisle. We're looking at some cars for sale, some classics. There's over 300 of them. Look at this Silverado, it's just clean. Real nice. Looks like it says Buck's Tree Service. There's a 1975, 29.5 on it. There's the phone number if you want to give it a call. 75 Silverado. Real nice. Looks clean. Move on to this. 75 Firebird. That's at $5,500 for it. Go ahead and give Sonny a call. That's his phone number. This one looks like it's got some rot underneath. Okay, I got a 55 Plymouth Plaza, 12.5. Call or text that number. Got 350 in it. Like I said, we got 300 cars we're going to go through. I'm going to get you guys information on them if anybody wants to make some deals on some cars. Walk down here. An 87 GT 12.5, their best offer. Automatic. Needs a top. Bumper needs paint. Another high priced car. Interior is beat up. Got 67 convertible, 34.5 on this one. It's really clean. Got a little bit of flaws here. I'll take it back. I don't say it's really clean. We got some flaws in the paint. For the price they're asking, 29.5. And this Catalina. Got a 70 Super B, 383. 58 or best offer. Nice car. Okay, taking a look at this Pontiac Firebird Formula 5.0 liter. 12.5. That's the number right there. Not bad. Seems pretty clean. It's a real nice Silverado right here. They want 42.5 for it, 58,000 original miles. It's a California truck, 4x4. This truck is mint. Wow. Number's 305-767-8355. They want a ton of money for it, but it's brand new. This truck is showroom. Look at underneath. Jeez. Holy moly. A gorgeous, gorgeous truck. One of the cleanest ones I've seen since we've been here. They got an 80 Chrysler New Yorker, 4-door. Asking $72.50. There's a number right there. Seems high to me, but maybe you like it, you want to buy it, give it a call. Got the 74 Challenger, $27.95. numbers right there. Clean. I'm going to put all the numbers in so you guys can give them a call if you're interested.
What's in this now for it?
440. Nice. Got a truck from Virginia, it looks like, over here. $17,500 on this one. Nice truck. Small block in it. Clean truck, but nothing compared to that blue one over there yet. Skip some of the newer stuff. Let's go down this way. Can you hold this one? Cutlass. It's like project. Need some interior work. Got some rust here. What are they asking for? 10.5. 304 671 6396. Got two Impalas over here we'll take a look at. 68, 25, convertible, 703. Number right there. Just pause it if you see a number, car you're interested. You can grab the number. We got this Impala over here. This looks like it's got a digital dash. Yeah. New top, 73. He wants 15 for it. Looks like a Corvette. What is it? A real Corvette. Guess it is. Pro Street 64. Good tires on it, wheels on it. Excuse me, I'm sorry. 1970 Chevelle wagon. Got a cool patina to it, but it's got a lot of Bondo on it. Got a 350 in it. They're looking for 15. So this car restored is done up. They do real good. A nice LS in it. Make it cool. Okay. Jump over here. Got this 80Z for 29. 76 Vet for 18. So far I'm seeing a lot of high prices. No crazy deals. 6,500 for this truck. Not crazy, but 27.5 for the 72 C10.
See, my truck looks so good. You see it? Oh, you're killing me. You want that? No, I can't. Yes, you can. You just got rid of one. Yeah.
Let's take a look at this Chevelle over here, 454. '72 Chevelle, 396, 38. $11,500 for this 71 Oldsmobile. 32 Ford, 27.5. That's cool. Got a nice fastback here. Beautiful car. 67 ACO 289, 57.5. This one's beautiful. Gorgeous car. I wish it was a 390. But nonetheless. Hey guys, let's take a look at this Chevelle over here. A little bit of rust on the wheel wells. Looks like it's a Cal induction car. It is sold. 54K sold. Look at the interior. Jump over to this Mercury, Montego, convertible. Get the information for them. If they're interested, 16K. So you got 289. No, 302.